Hi, and welcome to Math Practice with Mrs. Smith. I'm Mrs. Smith, and today we are going to talk about changing improper fractions into mixed numbers, expressing them as mixed numbers. An improper fraction is one like this one, 8/5, where the denominator is smaller than the numerator. That makes it an improper fraction. We can rewrite them or change them or convert them into mixed numbers. 8/5 would look like this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fifths. And you can see we can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those fifths together to make one whole. But we still have 1, 2, 3 of those fifths left over here. So we also have 3/5. We have one whole and 3 more fifths. So 8/5 is the same thing as 1 and 3/5. Let's look at this one, 10/4. So if we look at our fourths, what 10/4 would look like, here are our fourths, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of those fourths. So we can put 1, 2, 3, 4 fourths together to make one whole. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more to make another whole. And that would take 8 of our fourths so far. And then we have 1, 2 of those still left, 2 fourths left over here. But did you notice something? Take a look at this. Right? Do you see it? It's 1/2. So we could say this is 2 2/4, or to put it even simpler, we could say it's 2 1/2 if we wanted to take it down to simplest form. Let's see if we can do some thinking without the models. So here we have 9/3, so I know I can pull 3/3 out to make one. I've got 9, it only takes 3 to make one whole. And then, but I also have enough to make another whole. That would take me 6/3 altogether. And I still have 3 more, so I can get 1, 2, 3 wholes out of 9/3. 9/3 is the same thing as 3. Some of you maybe noticed a little pattern. Like, hey, 9 divided by 3 is 3. And you're right, that is what we're doing. We're dividing. So if you already noticed that, caught on to that, that's some good math thinking right there. Trust that math thinking. You're right, you can divide to change improper fractions to mixed numbers. Use your math thinking to change these improper fractions over to mixed numbers. You can either pull out groups if you prefer to do it that way, or you can divide if you prefer that way. But let's see how you do. The first one is 5/4. What is 5/4 as a mixed number? That would be 1 1/4. It would take 4 fourths to make one whole, and then you had 5 fourths. So you used 4 of them to make one whole, and you have 1 left over. It's 1 1/4. How about this one? 8/3. What would that be as a mixed number? It's 2 2/3. 8/3 is enough thirds to make 2 2/3. How about one more? 7/2. What would that be as a mixed number? Three and 1/2. You can either pull out groups of 2, or you can just divide it, 7 divided by 2. Either way, you're going to get 3 and 1/2. Hopefully that helped you with changing improper fractions to mixed numbers. Thanks for joining me here on Math Practice with Mrs. Smith, and I will see you next time. If you're a fan of math or would like a little math help, Don't forget to check out the other videos on my channel. See you later.